Hey everyone! Welcome back to Get the Marvel. I'm GTM and today we're diving into the wonderful world of Java. Specifically, we're going to unravel the mysteries of unary operators. If you're new to Java, don't worry, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. Alright, so what are unary operators? In Java, unary operators are those that work with only one operand. Think of them as the solo players in a band. They don't need anyone else to shine. We have a few key types of unary operators in Java. Let's break them down. 1. Unary ++. This is pretty straightforward. It's like saying, hey, this number is positive. Most of the time, we don't really use this one because numbers are positive by default. Example. 2. Unary --. This one flips the sign of a number. So, if you've got a positive number and you apply the unary minus, it becomes negative. Example. 3. Increment ++. This is one of my favorites. It increases the value of a variable by 1. Think of it as leveling up in a game. Example. 4. Decrement --. And if you can level up, you can also level down. This operator decreases the value by 1. Example. 5. Logical complement. This one's a bit different. It's used with Boolean values and it flips the value. If you're a true believer, it makes you a non-believer and vice versa. Example. Now, let's see these operators in action. Imagine you're building a simple game, and you need to keep track of a player's score. You'd use the increment operator to increase their score every time they complete a level, right? And there you have it. Unary operators in Java. They're simple but incredibly powerful. Remember, it's these little things that make your code efficient and elegant. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Get the Marvel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep coding and stay marvelous.